My name is Drew Davidson. I'm a chemical engineering PhD student at the University of Waterloo. I'm working under supervisor Professor Frank Cleveroot, who's an associate professor here at the university in the chemical engineering department. And I'm working on a new kind of novel controlled release fertilizer product, which will enable commercial fertilizers to be utilized with a higher absorption by crops in order to reduce the amount of fertilizer needed in order to support plant growth and plant yields at the same rates.
Hydrogels have been attempted before in the area of controlled release fertilizer, but the way in which this product is unique is that it seeks to apply the controlled release properties of pharmaceuticals to the agricultural world in order to achieve better control over the release of the fertilizer by the controlled release device. And the intended effect of this is to maximize the targeted delivery of the fertilizer to the plant root and minimize the amount of loss caused by bacteria or runoff or whatever loss mechanism there may be, in order to maximize the yield, minimize the cost, minimize the amount released into the environment, and achieve the maximum benefit to the consumer that is possible. Well, of course, whenever you're putting a new product into the environment, into implanting it in soil, there's going to be concerns about whether what you're introducing is environmentally sound. The components that we use in order to synthesize the hydrogel are naturally sourced. The testing we've been doing is to ensure that these products are safe, that they don't degrade into any toxic substances, that the substances they degrade into are either naturally occurring or can be naturally cleared without contributing to the toxic load of the surrounding environment. We've been able to achieve extremely good results with no toxicity, as well as incorporating as many naturally sourced materials into it as possible. So we've been able to achieve extremely good results in terms of crop growth when exposed to the hydrogel product.
Even though it's not as huge an issue in Canada and the US as it is in China, it's still an issue. Fertilizer loss is still an issue. Ecological damage is still a huge issue in Canada and the US. And there's a large market across the Canadian breadbasket in the prairies, or ecologically sensitive areas in Manitoba, or drought-stricken areas in Texas and the Midwest for our product, which can address issues such as runoff of fertilizer into ecologically sensitive areas, or improving productivity, or increasing the water retention of soil for drought-stricken areas. So we think there are multiple markets in North America which could very effectively benefit from this controlled release device.